Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I hope you are all well. Today I will show you a very important series tutorial about the Microsoft Word for the beginners, how to insert is Smart Art Part 8. Without any delay, let's get started. At first we have to open the Microsoft Word. Now I will open Microsoft Word. Yes, this is my Microsoft Word, one documents here. So you can see at the top on the left side there are some menus here. There are some menus as file, home, insert. Under the insert menu, click the insert menu, then you will see some of the insert option here, insert objects option here, as far as pictures, shapes, icons, etc. And beside the 3D models you can see Smart Art. This is the Smart Art. This Smart Art has been used for various purposes. When you click the Smart Art, then you can see here there are some demo models here about the Smart Art, and you can see on the left side there are some names here: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, pictures, and etc. You can see and you can find out what kind of Smart Art you can use or you want to use as well. Just I will use a Smart Art for your better understanding. Now I will click this cycle and another cycle Smart Art. Now I will use this first one, then you have to click, then OK. This is the Smart Art, and you can use this Smart Art for your mind mapping, for one kind of mind mapping. But how can you customize it? It's very simple. Just click it, then you can customize it, just like tree, then water, then fertilizer, and weather, sun. This is the just a demo cycle here. You can use such a way, and you can customize this very easily after you insert this on your document paper. Very easy and very simple way to use it. I hope you will. If you want to learn Microsoft Word, then you have to play with this application or software. I mean, you have to use it every now and then for your better understanding. There are various kinds of options here under the Microsoft Word. You can see here very important menu: insert, row, design, layout, references. Every segments you have to know, and if you want to know it properly, you have to use it. You have to play with this all kinds of menus as well. Otherwise, you will not learn this all segment of the Microsoft Word. So I hope you will understand my this very simple Smart Art appearances. Just if you want to add another one, just go to the insert options menus and then go to the Smart Art, click the Smart Art. Then there are various kinds of Smart Art. Just if you use it, then select it and then click the OK. Then this Smart Art has been come up here, and you have to use it according to your own demand or choices. So no more today. I hope this video will very helpful for you for understanding about the Smart Art and also about the using activities of this menu. So goodbye, and you are requested to watch my next Microsoft Word series tutorial, and you will be very benefited if you watch all the series tutorials of my Microsoft Word. So goodbye.